A Hilux pickup truck was involved in a severe traffic accident due to a direct collision with another vehicle of the same type, resulting in complete destruction of the front end and significant deformation of the truck's body. The damage was not only superficial but extended to the structural integrity, leading many to believe that the vehicle had reached the end of its lifespan. Upon the truck's arrival at a specialized workshop in Pakistan, the workers did not hesitate to start the work despite the difficulty and complexity of the task. It was clear from the very first moment that the repair would not be limited to replacing parts, but would require a comprehensive disassembly and almost complete rebuilding from scratch. In the first stage, the main worker began dismantling all the damaged external parts, including the front bumper, fenders, hood, and doors that were jammed due to severe bending. After that, the entire outer structure was dismantled. Then they moved on to removing the internal parts directly connected to the structure, such as the floor supports and reinforcement parts. After the disassembly was completed, the entire metal frame was extracted from the truck. Then the engine was separated and moved away from the work site, in addition to removing the fuel tank and the front and rear axles. At this stage, nothing remained of the truck except a metal frame completely stripped of any components. Then began the phase of engineering correction, which is one of the most precise and difficult stages. Strong steel chains were attached to the frame, and heavy lifts were used to carefully stretch and pull the metal. The workers were working point by point with continuous measurement of angles and dimensions to ensure the structure returned to its correct geometric position without any deviation. In areas that suffered irreparable damage, workers used oxygen cutting to remove the destroyed parts. Then, replacement parts were manufactured or prepared. After that, precise welding operations were carried out to secure the new sections, reinforcing the structure from the inside and outside to ensure the required strength and durability. After completing the reconstruction of the structure, the reassembly phase began, where the axles, suspension systems, and wheels were reinstalled. Then the truck was lowered to its normal position. And afterwards, putty was applied to the entire body, followed by repeated sanding to achieve a uniform surface. In the final stage, the structure was sprayed inside and out. Then the engine, doors, glass, electrical wiring, and internal components were reinstalled. After a final sanding, the truck was completely painted to restore its original appearance as if it had just come out of the factory. Thus, with expertise and skilled Pakistani hands, the Hilux truck was transformed from a distorted wreck into a fully integrated vehicle ready to work again. Now, we leave the judgment to you. What rating does this meticulous work deserve? Is it 10 out of 10 or less than that?